Hello everyone, once again we are back with one more revision chapter. I hope you all are doing excellent at your home because we all know that exams are over our head. And I'm your mentor Nisha standing before you, and today I have brought a revision chapter. So before wasting any time, let's start with the chapter. Chapter 15 we will start, and the topic of the chapter is medicine. Yes, sorry. Before starting this chapter, I would like to ask you that I would like to tell you that every one of us have seen medicine, and all of us has taken medicine due to some diseases. Fine. So this is a very common thing, very familiar thing, which we cannot say that we have never seen any medicine. Yes, we are taking medicine. Sometimes we are taking for cough, cold, fever, pain. Lots of things are normal diseases are this. So due to which we are taking medicine. And medicine is that object when we take it, then it is helping us to get cured rapidly. Fine. So today we will start about medicine, but before starting this chapter's revision, I would like to tell you that today what medicines we are taking and what medical instruments are being used. Before these medicines and medical instruments, how was the life in ancient time when there was no medicine and when there was no medical instrument at all, but still people were surviving. But comparatively, death rate was more in olden times comparing to now, because that time no advanced treatments were there for very common disease. For very normal disease, people were dying due to the lack of the treatment. Fine. But nowadays we are getting advanced treatment, lots of options we have, lots of medicines we have to get cured rapidly. So the lifespan of people is being increased by getting the help of these treatments. Fine. So during in olden times, people used to take help of homemade remedies, and surgeries were not so much developed in ancient time, which is totally completely changed nowadays. Nowadays people are not getting operated with the marks of stitches. They are getting laser operation, just a very small mark without any stitches. So let's start. Role of medicine. Yes, that just I have introduced you that what is medicine. Medicine is that object which help us to get cure against any disease, and it is kind of boon for people, those who are ill. So medicine is that substitute which is fighting against any disease, and it is helping us to get cured. Role of developed medical instruments. Yes, medical instruments. There are numbers of medical instruments. As science has achieved so many achievements, it has achieved a very good height of success. So we have numbers of medical instruments so that we are finding our disease rapidly. We are finding the exact reason behind our disease. So clinical thermometers, stethoscopes, x-rays, medical imaging, and different methods, vaccine, antibiotics, antiseptics, are so many things which helping us to fight against the disease and to find the cause behind the disease. Fine. So role of medicine, role of developed medical instruments. Next is clinical thermometer. Yes, clinical thermometer was firstly invented by Daniel Fahrenheit, and clinical thermometer is that instrument. It is such kind of instrument having a mercury bulb over here, and there are some scales, and when it is heated, it is absorbed. When this mercury bulb is absorbing the heat, then the mercury filled in this tube is raising its limit and crossing the particular level. So the level where the liquid mercury is reaching, that is marked with numbers 1, 2, 3, 99. So that way we get the exact measurement of our fever. So clinical thermometer is that instrument to measure the limit of our fever, means the how to measure fever, that how much fever we have, that for that we are taking help of thermometer. And thermometer was firstly invented by Daniel Fahrenheit. And for measuring fever, what are we doing? We are keeping the thermometer under the tongue, or sometimes we are putting under our arm, so that the heat which is absorbed by this mercury point where it is filled, that is heated and that is raising its limit, and then we find the exact temperature. Next is stethoscope. What is stethoscope? Stethoscope is something like this, this kind of structure where a very round object is attached and there are two earbuds which we connects to our both the ear, which doctor connects wear it in inside the ear, and this ball, this structure is attached with the chest or backside or on the back, so that doctor is rapidly listening the heartbeat or the activity of the lungs. So this is all about stethoscope, which was discovered by Dr. Rene. And when was it discovered for the first time? It was discovered in the year 1816. Yes, it was one of the miraculous instrument in the science of medical field, where it worked a lot successfully. So after the invention of this medical instrument, doctor came to know the disease related to lungs or hearts. Next is microscope. What is microscope? Microscope is that instrument which was firstly invented in the year 1590, and it is an instrument which is used to see the very tiny germs which is moving around us, and sometimes to see very tiny objects. It is multiplying the size of the insect or object in multiple times, so that which the germs or the insect which we cannot see with our naked eyes, that can be seen with the help of these microscope. So this is all about very brief introduction about this chapter. First of all, you write in the notebook. I am going then let's we connect with the next part of the chapter. Now let's we start with the worksheet related with this chapter. Fine. So all of you write in beautiful and neat handwriting. So let's we start. First is a clinical dash is used to measure body temperature. Yes, what is used to measure the body temperature? Which instrument is used to measure our body temperature? It is clinical thermometer. Please don't write any wrong spelling. Everything you have to copy correctly from this board. Next is clinical thermometer was discovered by Daniel Fahrenheit. Okay. Who invented clinical thermometer? It was discovered by Daniel Fahrenheit. Okay. Third is Dr. Rene invented stethoscope. Yes, stethoscope. What is stethoscope? Just a few minutes back I have told you. Stethoscope is an instrument which is used to hear the heartbeat and the activity of the lung. It was discovered by Dr. Rene. Clinical thermometer was invented in the year 1714. Yes, in which year clinical thermometer was invented? It was invented in the year 1714. See, so long back it was firstly invented. You write in the notebook first. Next is a A dash is used to see tiny objects. Yes, which instrument is used to see tiny objects? It is a microscope. Yes, microscope is used to see tiny objects. Next is dash is an example of medical imaging. Yes, what is medical imaging? Medical imaging is that process through which internal organs photographs can be taken. For the purpose is that to see the condition of internal organs. That is X-ray. X-ray. Yes, X-ray is an example of medical imaging. It is a kind of photograph through which we come to know about the condition of our lungs, bones, and so many organs. Dash is helpful to replace many surgeries. Fine. Dash is helpful to replace many surgeries. What is helpful to replace many surgeries? It is laser. Yes, laser treatment. A special kind of light treatment is there which is helpful to replace many surgeries. It means that no marks and no stitches are there. That is replaced with the treatment of laser. Next is first antibiotic was discovered in the year 1928. When was the first antibiotic discovered? It was discovered in the year 1928. Okay. Next is dash is the first antibiotic. Which is the first antibiotic? It is penicillin. Yes, penicillin is the first antibiotic. Name of the first antibiotic. Next is dash invented first vaccine against smallpox. Who invented the first vaccine against smallpox? He was Edward Jenner. Okay, so these are some remaining fill-ups which I have given. First of all, you write in the notebook. Next is dash discovered pasteurization. Okay, who discovered pasteurization? And it was discovered by Louis Pasteur. Okay. Who discovered pasteurization? It was discovered by Louis Pasteur. And before moving to the next fill-up, I would like to tell you what is pasteurization. Beta, pasteurization means it is a method of killing germs from milk and water by the process of boiling, because before boiling, without boiling water and without boiling milk, we should not drink. And it is helpful to kill the germs, because before boiling milk and water containing always containing germs in it. So to make milk and water both germ free, we should boil these two liquids, and this process of boiling milk and water is called pasteurization, and it was discovered by Louis Pasteur. Next is dash discovered antiseptic. Who discovered antiseptic? It is Joseph Lister. Yes, Joseph Lister, who discovered antiseptic. Antiseptic is that when we have any scar, any wound on our skin, on the upper surface, then this is used to make the wound infection free. That is called antiseptic. Dash is the process of killing germs. What is sterilization? Yes. What is the process of killing germs? Sterilization is a process of killing germs. Actually, what happens in sterilization? It is a kind of method of boiling. By the process of boiling, killing of germs is called sterilization. Because you know that you must have seen or heard that in hospitals, what instruments are used, like scissor, blades, and these things are frequently used, but before boiling these are not used. So for next use, all the tools are boiled in warm water to make these tools germ free. Fine. And needles for injection, that is also sterilized. So in medical field, you must have heard that injection must be sterilized. So this is all about this chapter syllabus. Please write down in the notebook. Now let's revise these definitions. These are some points which I am going to discuss again. First is medical imaging. What is medical imaging? Medical imaging means that to capturing the image. Image of what? Actually beta, see whatever problem happens on our upper body, surface of our body, that we can see, that can be treated. Suppose if there is any wound, then any scar is there, any burn mark is there, that can be treated by putting the ointment, and the result which we can see, the improvement we can see after eating the pills, consuming the pills. Fine. But what about those part of the body which is inside our body, those organs which is inside our body, that we cannot see. We cannot see our kidneys ourselves, we cannot see our lungs ourselves, we cannot see our heart ourselves. Fine. So if these organs are facing any problem, under any problem, then how to treat these? But before knowing the cause behind the problem, no doctor can start any treatment. So first of all, to examine these organs, it has to be imaged. So to take the photographs of these organs, there are some systems like X-ray, ECG, MRIs. These are some advanced system to look into the body and find out the reason behind the problem. If kidney is not working properly, if heartbeat is not working properly, if there is any cough or colds problem inside the lung, so the condition of these organs and so many other things can be examined by the help of this medical imaging. So X-ray, MRI and ECG, these are some etc. There are so many ways of taking medical imaging, but these are normal and commonly used system through which internal organs image can be captured. Next is laser. Laser means what? This is a special kind of treatment which has replaced surgeries, because in olden times what was happening, like for any disturbance of internal body, internal organs, that was treated by putting the mark, by putting a long cut, and then it was the failure of the body part that was taken out, and again that was stitched with, it was was very long and painful process. But as laser treatment introduced in the medical field, then this cutting of body, stitching of the marks, and again so many painful process has been totally replaced by a single, by some dotted marks. These are laser marks, and through which through this advanced system, that all is being treated without any stitches. So this is called laser treatment. Fine. Next is pasteurization. Pasteurization is a process which was invented by Louis Pasteur, and it is the process through which germs can be killed present in the milk or in liquid. And before boiling milk and liquid, we should not consume, we should not drink, because these are full of germs before boiling. But after boiling, these are germs free. So Louis Pasteur was that who introduced pasteurization, which is the method of killing germs present in water and milk both. Next is what is antiseptic. Antiseptic is that which prevents any wound against of any infection or any kind of itching or so many things. These things which can cause more infectious. So these are antiseptic, and this prevent the wound before any infection. So these are random defined which I have taken, and so many things we have discussed today. But still you will find numbers of fill-ups, numbers of objective questions from your book. So keep reading, keep turning, keep underlining, and keep trying yourself. And still you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment box, and I will be back with one more revision chapter. Till then, have a nice day. Take care.